Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see by the title of the video, I will be doing a part 3 to my $100 slime review on Snoop Crunch. And yeah, this is the last and final part of this huge review. So this is my package for this part, and yeah, I ordered one slime, and I believe I was the first order, so I received a free 8-ounce slime, which I was super happy to see in my package. The packaging was super secure as always. I absolutely love their shop. The past few slimes that I've reviewed from them are amazing, and I'm sure this one will also be. But yeah, so let's just get straight on to the review. For extras, I received their standard extra baggie, and inside there was the add-ins for some of the slimes that I ordered, and their care sheet and business card, as well as some borax, which is always good. And this is the free slime that I received in my package today. So this one is a 8-ounce thick and glossy slime. I absolutely love their thick and glossy slimes. They are so amazing. I've mentioned this before. I think they should definitely add some new thick and glossies because they are amazing, and there should be more variety of these because I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna let you guys listen to some ASMR. Now it's time for the actual slime that I ordered. This one is pumpkin cream cold brew. This one is a 6-ounce slime, I believe. I absolutely love their containers and their stickers. They're super cute and very sturdy so that they won't crack at all. And each slime was also bubble wrapped. This slime was super fun to assemble, and the add-ins were just super cute, and it definitely reminded me of a cold brew coffee, and it was just amazing. But the sad part of this was it did have a tacky feel to it. I tried adding some activator, but it still stuck to me, which was not my favorite. And the texture, like, I'm sad to say, but it wasn't my favorite texture. But it was still super fun to assemble, and it made some great ASMR. So I give this slime an 8.5 out of 10. guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it and making it for you guys. I absolutely love their shop and I definitely recommend it. I'll leave their links down in the description as well as my links, including my shop, my Instagram, my TikTok, and my fidget TikTok. So yeah, make sure you guys comment down below what other shops I should review, and yeah. And I almost forgot to mention, happy Halloween, guys. Make sure you guys have a fun and safe Halloween, because yeah, you need to be safe. And if you don't celebrate Halloween, then happy Sunday. Just have a fun Sunday. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!